Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, we have another amazing show for you today. XRP on the verge of absolute explosion. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, I am sure that many of you, just like me, were watching the charts like crazy today. We saw XRP literally a hair's breadth away from that 75-cent range. Remarkable when you consider it wasn't but a week ago we were in that 50-cent range area. And guys, there are a lot of analysts out there that saying, hey, this is just the spark. An explosion big time is on the way. Now, guys, just check this article out right over here. Ripple's price explodes above 70 cents as XRP Bull Run takes off. And they're not talking about Ripple, the company, guys. They're talking about XRP. Now, listen to this right now. Despite lagging behind this week's frontrunners for a while, XRP's price is finally catching up. It increased by around 15% in the last 24 hours. In fact, guys, it went up to almost 24%, becoming one of the best performers from the top 10, second only to none other than Dogecoin. At the time of this writing, XRP is trading above 70 cents, a high last seen in March this year. Guys, we have said it so many times how XRP is the last mover when it really decides to move, whenever it goes up like that. And guys, we are just scratching the surface of what is expected to come for XRP, and it, I believe, is going to be stupendous. Now, just look at this chart right here. There you have it when we were way up there. Now we are coming back down. I think we're at 68, 69 right now. And of course, what are we doing? We are just tagging prior resistance, that 66 some cent range, as support, and then they are expecting this to literally bounce like crazy. Now just check this out. With this, its total market capitalization currently sits at $40 billion. The latest surge comes as Bitcoin's price charted another all-time high at 90,243, and boy, did we ever call that. It was just a day or so ago. I was saying it wouldn't surprise me to see a $90,000 Bitcoin within the next few days, considering we blew past our projection on Friday. We were saying, hey, we could see an 80,000. Man, is this something? And this is what it feels like, guys, to be in a genuine bull run. But we have not seen an alt season by far yet. It is going to be something amazing. I really believe that. Now, Crypto Potato reported some popular analysts are now calling for XRP's price to reach $2 before the end of 2024. One analyst said last month that tremendous moves are incoming as soon as XRP trades above 66 cents. And this seems to be the case now. Absolutely. In fact, we're above it. When we then set an extraordinary level of 66.49 and underline with bold fonts that this is dang level is strongest of all. And as soon as we see XRP above 66 cents a day, a week, a month, then we will see tremendous moves. Now that came from Dark Defender. That said, this is what they're purporting. Part of the reasons behind the recent surge could be fueled by rumors that Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse had met with Donald Trump or someone from his administration to discuss crypto regulation. Now, the author is saying there's been no official confirmation of this so far. Well, guys, just check this out. Ripple CEO confirms meeting with Donald Trump. Guys, don't kid yourself. This current administration that's coming in from the very very top all the way down, they have heard about XRP. And in fact, I have it on good authority that they know all about the Ethereum free pass and everything like that. Now, I'm not going to give my sources for that, but guys, you're going to find out about it really, really soon. I'll tell you what. Now, listen to this right here. Zach Rector. Now, Zach, we know Zach. Judy and I know Zach. Zach knows us. A prominent crypto proponent on X has generated buzz in the cryptocurrency community after his post about Ripple's meeting with President-elect Donald Trump was liked by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. This seems to confirm that the meeting took place. And guys, here it is right here. When Zach put it out there and confirmed Ripple actually met with Trump, Charles is talking about a big difference, and Brad Garlinghouse actually liked that post, and that tells you volumes. He's not going to go out there, put a thumbs up, put a like on there if it didn't happen. Now, of course, he's not going to get all public about it, guys, because a lot of these closed door meetings, they don't want to get questioned on and all this and that, but he's letting the community know, hey, it went down for sure. Now, Garlinghouse's confirmation excited the community, with many speculating on Ripple's potential political strategies and the broader implications for the XRP community. This confirmation has fueled ongoing conversation about Ripple's involvement in shaping cryptocurrency policy in the United States. Notably, Rector stated that Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, has commented on matters surrounding Ripple. Hoskinson has had many issues with the XRP community over the years. We all know that. But recently apologized to the community, aiming to rebuild bridges and potentially participate in RLUSD, Ripple's upcoming stablecoin. Wouldn't that be kind of wild to see that on a layer 1 for Cardano, not just Ethereum and the XRP ledger? The confirmation of Ripple's meeting with Trump has further polarized reactions, with some community members questioning Hoskinson's motives and intentions. Well, guys, at the end of the day, does it really make that big a difference? Yep, there's a lot of us that are angry with Charles Hoskinson because of the way that he came at us in this XRP army. To be sure, the guy has now apologized and recanted. Now, he may have various motives because he wants to actually have a hand in helping to shape this new regulation. But guys, the way I look at it is this: united we stand, divided we fall. We have got to put our face forward when it comes to actually seeing the regulation that we want to see, and getting everybody in this space unified and out there rather than all divided and disoriented is going to be a big part of that. Now, one response to Rector's post resonated widely. I think Garlinghouse will be on the crypto committee with several other industry leaders, and Chucky knows that. Of course he does. So he wants to make amends with Ripple and the XRP community, and I suspect that is probably one of his motivations. Ripple has significant influence in the crypto space, and this could extend into government with a pro-crypto candidate like Donald Trump in the White House, and of course, who he appoints to the chair of the SEC. This recent meeting could be the first step in a long and fruitful partnership for the crypto world, with Ripple at the helm. And something else I want to bring up: Ben Armstrong, BitBoy, actually sat down with Donald Trump Jr. and explained the entire issue and story of XRP to him. And guys, don't kid yourself. Do you not think with XRP Unleashed coming out that these guys may not very well get an opportunity to see that? I think it's going to open the blinders big time, and we could see this whole case getting just washed out. And this whole regulation by enforcement, especially when there's no fraud, they're talking about removing all those cases. So the clarity is coming back, guys, and the regulation is coming in. I genuinely believe that. Now, the commenter also suggests that Hoskinson might seek to align himself with Ripple in anticipation of the company's potential political influence or participation in a formal cryptocurrency policy committee. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, either way, for me, like I said, the fact that we could see a formal cryptocurrency policy committee working with the administration, forwarding this space, is absolutely phenomenal. And guys, boy, do we ever need it. Now, another user commented, some people meet Trump and others talk about the meeting. And this is just getting on to the fact that Hoskinson talked about being invited to a policy meeting. Well, Brad Garlinghouse has actually had that one-on-one, face-to-face. The sentiment was echoed by another commenter who described Hoskinson's actions as cringeworthy and embarrassing, further emphasizing the tension between Cardano and Ripple communities. It seems many in the XRP community have not accepted Hoskinson's apology. However, some speculate XRP's potential growth if Ripple partners with the U.S. government. One user stated that this partnership could send XRP up to $7 or up to $10. There is significant excitement in the XRP community and many predictions of how high the digital asset can climb with Trump in charge. This meeting has reinforced the hope of the community and shows the work is being done to grow the XRP ecosystem and the broader crypto market. Well, guys, we know that Ripple has already been out there growing the XRP ecosystem around the wide world in the United Arab Emirates, in Singapore, in the UK, in the Middle East, obviously, North Africa, and all of that, and around the globe, opening all kinds of offices. Guys, where have they been hampered? Well, right here at home in the United States. And what has been that? The regulation by enforcement of the SEC. Well, guys, that is ending bang. And do you not expect to see some massive explosions when you actually see the adoption and the acceptance of this whole ecosystem? Guys, I'll tell you what, we fought the good fight. We've actually won the battle, and I think we're going to reap the rewards now. Guys, just check this article out right here. XRP skyrockets 109% in volume as the price hit the 70-cent range. Listen to this down here. XRP, the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market value, has seen a 109% spike in trading volume, with its price reaching that 70-cent range. According to CoinMarketCap data, XRP's trading volume has skyrocketed 109% in the last 24 hours, reaching $8.02 billion or 12.6 billion XRP. Now, guys, think about that. Do you believe that this is retail? I'm going to tell you right now, I don't believe that. Guys, this is institutions. This is big money players. This is whales that are getting in there. And boy, oh boy, are they taking some serious positions. And I'll tell you what, for everyone selling XRP in the 70-cent range, guys, someone else is buying it. Now, you always think of this. A lot of us are looking down the road when XRP is $10, $20, $100. Well, guys, I always throw this out there. Who do you think, if someone's selling XRP at $10, right? Someone else has to be buying it, don't they? Someone's selling at 20, someone else has to be buying it at 20 and 100 and so on and so forth. What do you think's in the mind of those buyers? Well, I'll tell you what, you think they're buying it at $10 so it could drop down to $2? No, guys, they're buying it because they believe that it can go way beyond. The guy buying it at 10 hoping it's going to hit 20. The guy getting at 20 hoping it's going to hit 40. The guy getting at 100 hoping it's going to hit 2 or 300. That's the deal, guys. When somebody else capitulates, somebody else steps in to gobble up the risk. Think about it. That's how I think about it oftentimes. Notably, the XRP price has surged within this time frame, creating a massive daily candlestick as it sprung from the lows of 59.6 to reach the heights of 70 cents, in fact, almost 75 in today's trading session. XRP has been on a run since November 9th, rising from the lows of 54.3 cents. The surge in volume and price can be attributed to several factors. The broader cryptocurrency market is showing an undeniable bull run, no doubt, with many digital assets experiencing upward momentum. Bitcoin surged to a fresh all-time highs. Now they have it at 89,995, which is probably when they actually wrote the article, but it went over that 90K period right there in early Tuesday's trading session, lifting the value of the entire crypto market. And guys, look at what XRP did right there. XRP has benefited from this positive market sentiment, attracting substantial trading activity. At the time of writing, XRP was up to 11% in the last 24 hours, and that was when it was only at 64.3. Guys, I think they actually meant it to be 74.3 because that's what it was today, and up 28% on the weekly. The price rise has reignited optimism for XRP, which has been trading in the range of that 48.7 to the 56.6 over recent weeks. The 70-cent price level reached in today's trading session represents a key breakout point, and if sustained, could set the stage for further gains in the short term. And in the long term, guys, wow, do I ever believe it's going to be something fabulous. Now, XRP began to rise after hitting support at a low of 49.91 on November 3rd. Since this date, XRP has marked 8 out of 9 days in the green, indicating the start of a new move. In the process of this move, XRP exited the 48 to 56 range it held within recent weeks and also surged above the daily moving averages, the 50 and the 200-day moving average at that 54.6 and the 53.8 respectively, which it had constricted its price since the start of October. The rally is facing selling at 70 cents as seen from the long wick in today's candlestick, but guys, it came back, and listen to this. On the other hand, a surge above 70 might cause it to retest the yearly highs of 74 cents, which is exactly what it did. Guys, I believe we're coming back down to tag prior resistance as support, and I do believe, man, are we going to see something big. And guys, you have got all kinds of things going on in this space. Brad Garlinghouse literally confirming that meeting there with Donald Trump. You got this explosion in price going absolutely wild. We're seeing regulatory clarity coming into this space in the very, very near future. And all these TA guys expecting to see XRP in the multiple dollars even before the end of 2024. It would not surprise me in the very beginning of 2025, and especially after January 20th when Trump gets inaugurated and all this starts to go down, that this space is going to literally blow people's minds. I genuinely believe it. Guys, get out there, peel back that onion, you research it for yourself, and you come to your conclusions. But like I love to say, man alive, have we got that ticket. And Judy and I cannot wait to be standing with you right beside us, and when we in that winner circle, when we cross that finish line. So guys, like I've always said, you are going to thank yourself that you took the time to get your plan in place when this thing literally skyrockets. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.